I really just saw a bonus. Hive bird from the hive. Who? What? Jesus Christ, this bio is annoying, bro. Bio, die. End it all today. Nah, you literally cannot get me. I'm too fast. Ow, I'm dying. Oh wait, I'm hunted down, aren't I? Oh my god, this bio's on my ass. Thanks, bio, go away. I have no kills. I didn't even land that all, bro. Okay, maybe I shouldn't be on skate. Keep in mind, I woke up like 5 minutes ago. And I hopped on Phighting to get this video over and done with so I can stop playing Phighting. But I probably will keep doing Phighting videos, but that's when cool things start to happen. You know, like, hence, when I say there's a scrim that I really want to do, I'm fucked. I'm alive. How am I alive? I'm 0 for 0 right now. Double kill, bitch. This guy can shut up. I'm fucked. Oh shit. You're tripping. Holy. Ah, there's so much pain. in the fuck? Die, you bitch. I'm coming to kill you. I'm not coming to kill you. I just saw a guy that scares me. I don't know why I'm scared of something like it. People say that subspace is your worst nightmare escape. Your worst nightmare is anybody who can pause you. It's just your worst nightmare. It's like, what the fuck is this, bro? What the hell, man? What the hell, man? What the hell is that? I come and kill and you harass me. He's low if you want to kill him. Because I'm gonna die. Ow, bitch. Nah. Just nah. Thank you for the kill. And he come out of nowhere. Ow. Okay, I take it back. Skateboard to hell. Skateboard to hell. Oh shit. Not skateboard, I need subspace to hell. It might be a one trick. So, yeah. I was just talking in chat about Potato, the fucker who got really angry at me for no reason. Even though what I was doing was just fucking existing to try and survive. I know you have your counter. Now he does. But now he doesn't again. Keep using it. Who the fuck is speaking? That's one go insane. I'm going insane. I'm out. Yep. Run away. Now we come back. Yeah, the rocket instantly died. I think you're like, oh my god. Please, I don't want to die. I need to find someone I want to kill. I was going to kill him. No. Please! I was giving you a little smiley face and you tried to murder me. In cold, angry blood. Ow, bro. Ow. How did that do anything to me? Because I died before I did all of them. It's fun. That would be a fun little thing it does. Actually apply them all. It applies them one by one. I guess I'm solo ulting plants. Please. Oh hell no. I'm out. Hi. I like how they just like instantly turned around like this. Where did he go? I'm a little evil fucker. What's my KDA like? My KDA is still positive. I will take it. It's hard to go to negative KDA. Die. I've altered in the wrong spots. Why they was put them together die. Please, I want you to die. Come here, little skate boy. I can't. I'm dying. My face is being blinded. On my boat. I don't know why, I just want to fit. Okay, that's fair. Karma got me fast. Karma came swift and deadly. Deadly lock. Die. You can't do anything, you can't do anything, you can't do anything, die. I mean, to be fair, levels aren't ever you could be playing for like 1 billion hours. So, that. I mean, you're good. Nah, you're all mine. I'm out. Holy eggplant. Oh damn, we have a medkit now? That helps. Oh my god, medkit, I love you, bro. You single-handedly saved me. Oh no, this is, what's her name? Winestar. Damn, we got a Winestar. This is a wild cook. Cook Winestar, cook. Cook a Winestar. Kill him. Oh. That holding me out from there. I know I want to get to them for 100, but I just don't wanna. Don't want it anymore. Et voilà. Bon,